Hi, in this video, I'm going to talk about what happens when we need to send an IPv4 packet from one device to another device across more than one network. So PC3 has the IPv4 address 192.168.1.103. The destination IPv4 address of this packet is 172.16.1.99. These are on different IPv4 networks. So PC3 is going to encapsulate this frame in a source MAC address belonging to the MAC address of its own NIC card, BA76, or shortened version, and realizes that it can't send the packet directly because it's on a different IP network. It can't get it from its NIC card to the NIC card of server 0. So it needs to send it to the NIC card of its default gateway. PC3's default gateway is 192.168.1.103. The MAC address of its default gateway is 9E26, wireless router 0. So PC3 encapsulates the rest of the frame. This Ethernet frame goes from BA76 to 9E26 of wireless router 0. Wireless router 0 now receives this Ethernet frame, de-encapsulates the header and trailer, examines the destination IPv4 address of the packet, and determines for this IP address, it needs to forward this packet onto router 0. Wireless router 0 cannot get to the 192 to the destination IPv4 address 172.16.1.99 directly. So it must forward it to another router, in this case, router 0, and it determines this information in something called its routing table. So the source MAC address in this case will be of the Ethernet NIC card that the frame needs to exit on its way to router 0. So the source MAC address will be EC01. The destination MAC address will be that of router 0, DC02. Encapsulate the rest of the Ethernet header and trailer, and this Ethernet frame goes from EC01 to DC02. Now router 0 receives this Ethernet frame, de-encapsulates the Ethernet header and trailer, examines the destination IPv4 address, and says, okay, well, to get to this destination IPv4 address, it happens to be on one of my networks. So it's going to encapsulate the frame in an Ethernet header with its source MAC address, ABCD, and then it's going to be able to use the destination MAC address of the destination IPv4 address, the same device. So 172.16.1.199 server 0, its MAC address 6767. Okay. The rest of the frame gets encapsulated, and it goes from the NIC card of router 0, ABCD, to that of server 0's NIC card, 6767. Now, just as a quick overview here, you can see that the source and destination IPv4 addresses did not change along the way. However, the Ethernet source and MAC addresses did change.